Welcome. Want to make passive income from home, with no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service? In this video, I'll show you how to make money on Etsy by selling digital products. This method is low cost, beginner friendly, and fully scalable. Let's dive in. What are digital products on Etsy? Digital products are files people can download instantly after purchase. No physical items, no packaging, no shipping delays. Examples include printable planners, wedding invitations, budget spreadsheets, resume templates, Notion dashboards, kids activities, wall art. You create them once, and they can sell forever, 24/7, even while you sleep. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Before designing anything, you need to find a niche that people are actually searching for. Here are some proven niches that perform well on Etsy. Productivity, to-do lists, trackers, habit planners. Home organization, cleaning schedules, meal planners. Wedding and events, invitations, seating charts. Business templates, invoice templates, social media packs. Kids and education, learning worksheets, flashcards. Search Etsy for your idea and check number of results. Bestsellers in that category. Product reviews. The goal is to find demand, but not extreme competition. Step 2. Create the product. No design skills needed. You don't need to be a designer to create high-quality digital products. Here are some free and beginner-friendly tools. Canva, perfect for planners, cards, wall art. Google Sheets or Excel, for budget or habit trackers. Notion, for productivity templates. Figma, for more advanced UI-style assets. If you want to go faster, you can even buy PLR templates, private label rights, edit them, and resell them with your own touch. Important. Always check license terms if you use third-party designs. Step 3. Set up your Etsy shop. Go to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy. Setting up your shop is free and takes less than 10 minutes. Make sure you choose a clear, niche-friendly shop name. Upload a professional profile photo or logo. Write a strong shop description that builds trust. Add shop policies, refunds, support, etc. Even though your product is digital, trust still matters. Step 4. Upload and optimize your listings. Each product listing is a chance to get discovered. Here's how to make your listing stand out. Title. Include your main keywords. Example: editable weekly planner, printable PDF. Description. Explain what the customer gets, how to use it, and any instructions. Tags. Etsy allows 13 tags. Use them all with relevant search terms. Images. Upload mockups that show your product in use. File types. Make sure you upload the right format, PDF, PNG, etc. Optional. Use tools like Everbee or eRank to research keywords and pricing. Step 5. Automate your delivery. Once someone buys your product, Etsy automatically sends them the download file. You don't need to do anything. This is what makes it passive. Tip. Include a thank you page or bonus file to encourage reviews and repeat buyers. Step 6. Promote and grow. Etsy has built-in search traffic, but if you want faster results, share your listings on Pinterest, great for printables. Start a simple Instagram or TikTok to showcase your products. Offer discounts or bundle deals to increase average order value. Collect emails from buyers for future product launches. Once you have 5 to 10 listings, sales tend to become more consistent. How much can you make? It depends on your niche, quality, and consistency. Some sellers make $50 minus $100 per month with just a few listings. Others make thousands per month with a full digital shop. Remember, you create the product once, and it sells over and over again. It's a long game, but it builds real income over time. Outro. Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online, without inventory, without risk, and without needing to be an expert. Pick your niche. Create one product. Upload it. You could be making your first sale this week. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more digital income tips and smart money strategies. See you in the next video.